The wiper washer lever to the right of the steering column operates your windshield wipers and washer. Move the lever from the off position down to the first position for intermittent operation or the rain sensing auto feature. If you've got intermittent wipers, rotate the switch in the center of the lever to increase or decrease the intermittent speed. If equipped with rain sensing wipers, push the lever to the auto position for a rain sensor which detects rainfall and turns the wipers on or off automatically. Rotate the switch on the lever to adjust the feature's sensitivity. The center position provides normal sensitivity. Rotate the switch downward for higher sensitivity and a faster response, or upward for less sensitivity and a slower response. The next two lever positions activate low or high speed wiper operation. Hold the lever upward and the high speed wipers will run as long as the lever is held. This feature is perfect for unexpected splashes or passing situations in the rain. Pull the lever toward you to spray the washers. The wipers will operate until you release the lever. If equipped, headlight washers will operate automatically once every 5th time the windshield washer operates, as long as the headlights are on. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.